Hi guys, this is Javid here. In this video, I am going to show you how to control LED lights through IoT by using the Blink software and Proteus. And don't worry if you didn't know how to use these softwares, watch the video completely. It will give you a basic understanding about softwares. Okay, let's get into the video. For this experiment, we need Proteus, then Arduino IDE, Virtual Serial Port Simulator, then Blink app in your phone. For the both Proteus and Arduino, you have to add libraries. In the Proteus, you have to add Arduino library. In the Arduino, you have to add Blink Arduino library. Don't worry, if you didn't know how to add the libraries, check the link below. Okay guys, now open the Proteus. In the Proteus, we are going to design a simple circuit using the LED and the Arduino. Now open the Proteus. For this circuit, we need some devices like Arduino Uno R3, COM pin, LED red, resistor and ground. Now go to the devices and click the P, that is pick devices, and in the keywords search for Arduino Uno R3. If you didn't add libraries, you can't get the Arduino. So now second one is the COM pin. Click OK. Then add LEDs. In this circuit, we are using the 3 LEDs. So I am adding 3 LEDs. Okay, for 3 LEDs, we need 3 resistors. R1, R2 and R3. Okay, and finally we need ground. Go to the terminals and click ground. Okay, after adding all this stuff, give the connections like that. Pause the video and give the connections. Okay guys, after giving the connections, double click the COM pin. It will open the property window. Now change the physical port into COM3. Then change the physical band rate and the visual band rate into the 9600. Select OK. Then now double click the resistor. You have to change the resistance. Set the resistance into 330k. Click OK. Then double click the LED. Change the model type into digital for all 3. Okay, now you have to load the program into Arduino. Now open the Arduino IDE. I have given the link in the description for code. Open the code. This is the link I have given. Copy all the codes. And paste directly into Arduino IDE. Okay, in this code, you have to replace the authentication token. Take your mobile. Now install the Blink IoT software. Open and please log in and click the new project. Our project name is LED. Then our device is going to be Arduino UNO. I'm choosing Wi-Fi because my mobile and my laptops are connected to one Wi-Fi device. Then after selecting OK, you will get the authentication in your mail. Okay. We designed a circuit for 3 LEDs. So I'm adding 3 buttons. After adding the buttons, click the buttons and rename it and select the pins. In the circuit, we have connected the LEDs in 3 LEDs in D11, D12, D13. So I'm giving the output D11, D12, D13 in the buttons. And also change the push button to switch button for all 3. Okay, click OK. Then now go to your mail and copy the authentication token here. Copy. Then replace that previous token. Paste. Then click the compile. Of course, you have to save the code before you are compiling. It's compiling. Okay, it's done compiling. Now go to the start, then search for a run. Open the run, then type percentage temp, then percentage. Then click OK. In this window, search for .hex. .hex. And click enter. You will get 2 search results. Our file is ino.hex, not bootloader.hex. Copy that ino.hex into your desktop. Now open Proteus and open the properties of our Arduino. Now load our .hex file into the program file. Desktop.hex. Now click OK. The Proteus part is over. Now install the virtual serial port emulator by using the link I have given below. Then open. Click create a new device and the device type is pair and click next. In the COM-PIM we have selected the COM3. So now we are choosing the COM3 to COM1. Click finish. And also click the play button. Okay, now the port emulator is ready. Okay. Now go to the My Computer. Then go to Documents. Then go to Arduino. Then open the libraries file in the Arduino. Then go to Blink. Then into the scripts. Okay, in this window, just delete all of this stuff and type cmd. It's a command window. In this command window, you have to type some codes. First you have to type dir and click enter. Then you have to type blink ser.bat. com1, then 8442, then click enter. Okay, now everything is done. Go to the Proteus and play your circuit. Left bottom, click the play button. Now it's all done. Now take your mobile. Okay guys, now open the Blink software in your mobile. Then click the play button in the right corner and it shows online. It may take few seconds to show the online status. Now when you click on click the buttons, the LED will power up. That's all for today. Thank you guys.